Dr. Sara Jo Walton. I'm in Boise, Idaho. So I wanted to write a book because I was always the patient that was told nothing was wrong and nothing showed up on lab work. So I wanted to help other people to understand that just because it doesn't show up on labs or imaging, their symptoms are real and there is something that we can do to help them feel better and have optimal health. This experience with writing a book has been incredible. Dory and MD Business Advisors has really helped to make this process easy. I got way more information out in the 2 days than I ever expected to get done. So I'm almost complete with the book. Now I just have to finish my part at home.